Hey team, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you liked the last couple of clips. It is going to be one heck of a class-filled week for me this week. It's Monday morning, I have my standard, as you know, the 3 on a Monday, step, pump, and then attack at night time. I've also agreed stupidly to cover a bunch of other classes. Tuesday night I have pump and attack. Wednesday I have a similar setup to what's today on a Monday. I'm taking over a Wednesday morning step class from another instructor. I always get surprised at how high my hair is. I guess you don't really realize until there's a camera in front of you and you can see it. As I was saying, Wednesday morning will be the first day I take over the very popular step class at our flagship center. So it'll be step, half-hour break, pump, full day in the office, and then step at night time. I'm not sure how my knees are gonna go. I have to say I have started to notice if I do a lot of impact in a week, towards the end of the week, I feel like I'm 50 because my knees hurt when I go to do a squat, and I've never had that before. I know part of getting older and all of that, but still sucks. I'm gonna finish setting up for my pump class. As you know, you can see the stage behind me. And then I need to get on the road, get over to body step, then fly back here to do my body pump. Change of plan, team. I know I said I've got my usual body attack class tonight at 5:30. I actually decided to get it covered. And look at my hair, what the hell is that? Only because my house is bloody filthy. And I'm gonna show you when I get home. I'm gonna go do some grocery shopping. And I've just not had the time because it's been go, 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 go ever since I got back from the holiday. And I know it's been a week. I should have had my place cleaned up by now, but I'm human. I had shit to do. Home again, and I'm going to show you why I wanted to take tonight off of my body attack class to clean. It's not necessarily filthy, but it's the dirtiest that I can stand personally. I don't like it when there's like leaves and stuff all over the floor. That needs to be vacuumed. As you can see, it's not so much dirty here. It's like all the dirt just goes and sticks in there. It's bloody annoying. I need to sweep all the way out there because that drain does like to get clogged up. So we want to make sure that doesn't happen. And honeys, beautiful. Yeah, well, she can hear me saying her name. Yes, you. Her cat fur seems to be coating every single thing. I want to change my sheets. Let's not look at that. But yeah, I want to change my sheets. I want to do a load of laundry, vacuum and mop the floors, as well as dishes, cooking, blah, the works. And for some reason, it's like every bit of fluff that's in the universe has been attracted to my lounge. I can't seem to get the fluff off my goddamn lounge. See what I mean? It's like it's clean, it's like extra static. And of course, what better opportunity is there to go over choreography than cleaning? I don't know how long this has been sitting in my room. You can probably tell me I've been vlogging constantly now, at least twice a week posting for almost 7 months. This has been here since before then. I need to just take it to the Goodwill. 2 hours later, my house is finally clean. Just got the laundry to do. I've done all my dishes. I've done the floors. I was going to do a bit of a workout, but I've taught 2 classes and 2 hours of cleaning. It's my laundry back there. Hell no. It's time to kick back and just chill for a little bit. It's the first morning of my Wednesday step. As I was letting you know earlier in this, I'm kind of excited actually. I have to say I'm excited because, and don't mind my hair, I'm fresh out of the shower and I had just washed it. I'm excited because it's a very popular class and there's going to be 45 to 50 people there. And it is a lot more motivating for an instructor to teach to more versus obviously a few. When you compare that to, that's annoying, to my Monday morning step class, where there's maybe 4 or 5, it's extremely unmotivating. You're trying to fill the room with energy and get people up and going, and it's hard when there's so much space. In the coming weeks, I will film this particular step class just so you can understand the size of it. Anyway, I need to finish getting ready. Just finished teaching the step class. 2 ladies ended up walking out because they didn't like my music. Apart from that, there was 45 in the room. It was amazing energy. Majority of the class were very, very happy. You know the knee pain I've been telling you about or complaining about? More so in my left knee, but it is in both. Well, I just spoke to one of my clients at work, my PT client, who is a doctor. She had, after our session, she had a bit of a check over on my knee. And she's 100% confirmed that I've got Patella Tendinitis, which is commonly referred to as jumper's knee, because it usually affects athletes who do a lot of jumping. Aerobics instructor, her recommendation is to stop doing the exercises for 5 days to 2 weeks. Fortunately, as an instructor, that's not an option. The logical thing to do would be to say to get all of my classes covered for at least a week, because that way I can repair and recover. But I don't get paid for that. If I'm not teaching my class, I literally don't get paid. We'll just have to wait and see how I go. Had date night last night with Adam. I'm always surprised at how curly my bloody hair is and how high it gets in the morning. This is a Thursday for me, so I don't teach on a Thursday. Therefore, I don't go through the process of straightening and hairspraying and all the stuff so it doesn't move. This is all natural. Very curly and super buffy. Ugh, I don't know why I didn't just do it. Anyway, whatever. Date night with Adam last night. We went to our usual place, Veggie Bowl. They serve amazing vegan Thai food. Well, it's a fusion. It's more like a Vietnamese Thai sort of thing. We got our usual. We don't actually deviate. I'm sure all of you guys have done the same thing, where you've got your usual favourite restaurant, cafe, what have you, and you pretend to look at the menu, but you already know what you're going to have because you have the same thing all the time. Yeah, we did that. Browsed through the menu, talked about all the specials, about which one we should try. And then as soon as the waitress come around, we were like, yeah, we'll have this. Anyway, I truly do love that man. Even though when we do drink, it does bring out the more, I guess, nitpicky sides of us, where we highlight each other's, well, not highlight, but we take note of each other's flaws and what's actually irksome. I still do love him, because I feel like he makes me better. I truly do hope that you've enjoyed watching this vlog, as I have enjoyed making it. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, drop me a like, drop me a comment, and as always, please stay tuned.